Next Wave CNC's Shark Wizard. CNC made easy. Video tutorial step 3. Locating the center of your material. Now is the time to learn how to find the center of your piece of material. As a new woodworker, this tutorial will show you the easiest way possible to find the center of your material. For this step, you will need the material you will cut, a straight edge at least as long as the diagonal length of your material, and a sharp pencil. First, place the material down on your workbench or other flat surface with the side you want to carve facing up. Next, align your straight edge with 2 diagonal corners across the material. While holding the straight edge in place, take your pencil and run a light line along the straight edge near the center of the material. A few inches in length should be good enough. Marking the entire length is unnecessary. Repeat this process with the other set of diagonals on your material. When you pull the straight edge away, you will find that an X has been made in the middle of your material. Where the 2 lines you've drawn cross is the center of your material. You are now ready to continue to step 4.